Gold information you simply will not find elsewhere. Gold markets have risen recently, since this is a fantastic spot to invest wealth. Forewarned is forearmed in relation to investing in the gold market. Go on if you'd like to learn the things a gold investor ought to know. Before you buy or sell your gold, ensure you recognize how the values of precious metals work. Metal prices fluctuate constantly, so you must know the cost on any day for any transaction. You might be necessary to spend more on melt values if you are working with fractional pieces. You could pay more for an issue that is 0.25 ounces versus something that is 1 ounce. Why not generate income selling your gold to online buyers? You no longer have to buy and then sell gold in a physical location. Numerous websites exist which to buy then sell gold. The web page sends that you simply prepaid mailer to set the gold pieces in. If everything is together, you'll get compensated their going rate. Should you be contemplating selling a number of your gold jewelry, know what the going selling price for gold is. This may help you in determining in case the provide you receive is fair. Many dealers pays market value, however others rely on people eager for cash to obtain the most by themselves. In case you have a desire for getting into the gold markets, but don't have a great deal of investment capital, consider buying scrap. This can be done bit by bit. By way of example, you may invest a little each payday to amass an impressive collection of gold over the years. Ensure that the gold is safely stored and secured constantly. If you're unaware of your gold's worth, already have it appraised. Although appraisals cost money, you will be aware value of your items. For accurate appraisal, use the services of a licensed and independent appraiser. Usually do not expect to find the full value of the appraisal, but you should attempt choosing a buyer who gives you an amount as near the appraisal as you possibly can. Once you plan to buy gold, make sure you consider the spot price. Many sites offer this information, plus it changes each day. When choosing, don't pay in excess of 8% markup above the spot price. Occasionally an unethical dealer may try to overcharge their clients. Consider giving gold money a shot for gold purchases. You will own some actual gold, but it really won't remain in your possession. You determine up an account, deposit your funds, and you're assigned some gold at a cost that prevails to your account. As opposed to being forced to keep this valuable commodity in your own home, it sits safely within the vault with the bank. You might be free to withdraw every time you chose. Make your gold investing to yourself. You can't make sure who's listening or that is trustworthy. Keep it to yourself and guard it, either with a decent home safe or in a bank, which will help protect your gold and you all the time. Read and know the fine print within a sales contract. Read any materials the business you might be sending your gold to offers you. This lets you learn the level of proceeds you need to pay for fees and commissions. Frequently, earring backs are constructed with solid gold. Here is the case even if the earring is not made of pure gold. Necklace clasps and ring bands often are way too. Since such items weigh relatively little, you might like to sell them as his or her own lot. Selling lightweight gold inside a lot increases the chances of you selling them. If you're planning to sell your gold to an organization, be sure you check out their BBB rating first. This agency can provide you with an excellent indication of if the business you might be handling is about the up and up. Pay special attention to any complaints and when they were resolved or not. If there's lots of complaints about one company, consider not utilizing them. The first thing you must do when selling gold is group the pieces by carat weight. This will make selling it easier and prevents the seller from trying to scam you. You will earn more if you sell your gold separately by carat weight. Separating the gold before hedging prevents this from happening. Gold is often a lucrative but volatile investment. Should you can't handle the fluctuations, avoid this market. Even when you are willing to consider some extent of risk, you must do something to lower that risk. You must not allocate a substantial portion of your portfolio to gold. As an example, you may wisely invest 5%. Prior to deciding to sell gold online, be sure from the current price. You can receive more for the gold from a neighborhood dealer. Convenience is lost, but it's worth every penny to make more profit. You should know about your sellers buyback policy. While some do not add more selling fees, others do. Look at the cost and inconvenience of shipping gold bars to various locations. It is usually advisable to hold to the gold you buy to ultimately ensure its safety. Like other kinds of investing, gold works better like a long-term investment. So, don't just purchase gold in times when it is full of value. Actually, you might be more well off investing if the cost is lower. If you buy gold in good times and bad, and don't try to time the industry, you receive a better overall price. If you don't have much cash up front to acquire gold, you still have options. It can be perfectly fine to begin small. Look for smaller gold items and coins that help you to jump into this market. Soon enough, you can expect to develop to owning a significant amount of gold. The excitement of gold investment has continued to develop after a while, and it's currently receiving an unprecedented level of interest. Wise investors will take some time to evaluate the current market carefully before entering. Following the ideas presented here, you may trade successfully.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.